Hello, listeners. Welcome to Daily English Pulse. If you want to practice English listening skills, this story is perfect for you. And if you want to take it one step further, you can also practice something called shadowing. It's very simple. Just listen to me and repeat what I say. You can also pause the video and try to copy the way I speak. You'll also see the entire story written on the screen so you can read, listen, and speak all at the same time. Repeat the sentences out loud for better speaking practice. Welcome to Daily English Pulse. I'm Christine, and here we make learning English fun and practical with real-life stories. Grab a cup of tea, and let's dive into today's lesson to boost your English skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for daily updates. Hi, everyone. Today's Daily English Pulse lesson is about a trip to the grocery store, a perfect way to learn everyday English vocabulary and phrases. Let's follow Sarah, a busy mom, as she navigates her weekly shopping. Pay attention to the useful words and expressions. It's Saturday morning, and Sarah grabs her reusable shopping bags and her grocery list. I need to stay organized, she mutters, checking her list. Milk, eggs, bread, apples, chicken, and cereal. At the supermarket, she heads to the produce section first. The apples look fresh, but she wonders, are these organic? She spots a sign that says organic apples, $2.99 per pound, perfect. She bags 5 apples. Next, Sarah moves to the dairy aisle. She needs milk, but there are so many options: whole milk, skim, almond milk, oat milk. Let's stick with 2% milk, she decides, placing a gallon in her cart. Nearby, she grabs a dozen eggs, checking each one for cracks. No broken eggs today, she smiles. In the bakery section, the smell of fresh bread fills the air. Sarah picks a whole grain loaf, thinking, this will make great sandwiches. As she heads to the meat counter, she asks the butcher, can you recommend something for a quick dinner? The butcher suggests chicken breasts. They're on sale for $1.99 per pound, he says. Sarah nods. I'll take 2 pounds, please. Now for cereal. Sarah scans the shelves, overwhelmed by choices. Too many sugary ones, she sighs. She picks a box of granola with no added sugar, ideal for her kids' breakfast. With everything checked off her list, Sarah heads to the checkout. At the register, the cashier greets her. Did you find everything okay? Sarah nods. Yes, thanks. As the cashier scans her items, Sarah notices a reusable bag discount. That's a nice surprise, she says. The total comes to $42.50. Sarah swipes her card, bags her groceries, and heads to her car. On her way home, Sarah reflects. Grocery shopping can be hectic, but I feel accomplished. She practices a few English phrases she heard, like on sale. And did you find everything okay? These are great for everyday conversations. Practice phrases. Can you recommend something? Did you find everything okay? I'll take 2 pounds, please. Try using these in your next shopping trip. For homework, write a short dialogue between a shopper and a cashier. Share it in the comments below. We'd love to see your creativity. That's it for today's Daily English Pulse. I hope you enjoyed Sarah's grocery adventure and learned some handy English phrases. Subscribe for more daily lessons, share this video, and let us know what you want to learn next. See you tomorrow for another Pulse of English. Bye for now.
Thank you for watching.